Class 1 EVS birds. In this topic, we will learn about what are birds, birds and their groups, classification of birds, and parts of a bird. What are birds? Birds play an important role in balancing life on Earth. Birds are aerial animals. Birds can fly in the air with their wings and they make beautiful sounds to communicate. Birds are bipedal animals, which means they have 2 feet to stand, walk or run. Birds lay eggs in the nest. They have feathers, a beak with no teeth and strong skeleton. Birds have 4 limbs that are covered with feathers called wings, which help them to fly. Now, birds and their groups. Birds prefer to live in groups. There are different names for different groups of birds. A group of hens is called as brood, where a group of penguins are called as colony. Do you know what bird it is? This bird is called as quail. A group of quails is called as BEVY. A group of geese is called as goggle, where a group of crows are called as murder. Look at these beautiful parrots. How colorful they are. A group of parrots are called as pandemonium. Now, let us see about classification of birds. Birds are classified as flightless birds and flight birds. What do you mean by flightless birds? Flightless birds are those birds that have less ability to fly. They have the ability to run and swim. They have more feathers than flight birds on their body. Example, ostrich, kiwi, duck, etc. Flight birds. Flight birds are the birds that can fly in the air using their wings. Example, eagle, crow, hummingbird and parrot. Now, let us see about the parts of the bird's body. Beak. Mouth of birds are called as beak. Birds use their beak to eat. The shape of the beak depends upon the type of food they eat. They also use their beak to build nests and to clean their feathers. Now, let us see about eyes of a bird. All birds have 2 eyes on either side of their head. They have very sharp vision than human beings and has the capability to see very far distance. Now, let us see about the feet and claws of bird. The feet and claws of bird are shaped depending on their living and food habit. Claws are long curved nails present on their feet. Feet helps them to swim, walk, climb the tree and hunt their prey. In this topic, we learnt about what are birds, birds and their groups, classification of birds and parts of a bird. Thank you.